Good morning, everybody. Mark here from Mark's Garage. Today, doing part 6 of my Ducati Panigale Build series here. Just one quick update for you today. I did decide to get the bike out this morning and take it out for a quick ride and get some photos out here of it in the amazing weather we're having here in Louisiana today. It's in the low 70s and just beautiful. We only get about a 3 or 4 week stretch of beautiful weather here in Louisiana, but right now we're in it. It's beautiful and gorgeous out today. So the latest update I got to the bike is I've now installed my MRA light smoke. I guess they call it a double bubble, even though it's pretty more like an extended height windscreen, since it's not really a double bubble shape to the MRAs. They kind of do a gradual rise to them. I'll get you that here in a second. Got this windscreen from Manny and Moto Million. I believe you had a drop shift from somewhere else in the USA, but it wasn't no wait time at all. Had it within a week. Great products. I've used MRAs before on other bike builds. I really love them. They're a German company, believe it or not. Not Italian like some people might think. It's a German. You'll see them on all the MotoGP bikes. You'll typically see that Moto MRA decal on the sides of them. That's how you know it's MRA. All the MotoGP bikes are pretty much running these. See, I love the shape of it. It looks semi-stock, but it's extended quite a bit when you compare it next to a stock. Install for these is a little bit more in-depth than it is on a normal windscreen. See, Ducati, they do use a well nut, but I just don't think the well nuts they used were proper for the factory screen, as the well nuts weren't like a permanent part of the backside of the screen like a typical well nut is. So you have to take this front upper off of here to get at those bottom 2 bolts. It's not too hard. Just some bolts for that plastic interfering there. The mirrors, the 2 bolts for the mirrors and the connectors. And then there's a few bolts that hold the this upper portion here to this the sides. There's a couple bolts in there, but all in all, it took around 30 minutes probably at the most. If you're familiar with some tools, you can do it. Other things, I got just a better view of the Ducati Performance seat, and the TWM gas cap that I installed last week as well. Still waiting on my rear sets to get here. So I got a feeling they had to come from overseas, so Manny hadn't got them to me yet, so still waiting on them. As soon as I get them, I'm going to do a little bit more comprehensive video on those, as they're pretty special pieces. Other than that, let's get out, enjoy the beautiful weather this time of year, and get ready to say so long to 2020 here in a few months, thank God, and enjoy your bikes, enjoy the weather, be happy for what you have, be thankful and grateful. And if you like my videos, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe. I'll do more brief videos here and there for you as I build this bike. I also believe I owe you guys a video on my 04 Honda RC51 Nicky Hayden edition that I'm probably about 50 or 60% of the way through building, but obviously this is kind of taking the priority away from that for a while, as it's the newest thing that I have. So appreciate the comments as well. Have a good day, everybody.